Products showing sold out on Shopify despite supplier stock often stem from sync issues, inventory settings, or variant mismatches when using AutoDS. Quick fixes: enable and verify AutoSync in AutoDS. Log into AutoDS dashboard, check product settings, ensure inventory, price monitoring, and AutoSync are active. Reconnect the product to the supplier if disconnected. Shopify product settings, go to Shopify admin, products, select item, inventory section, check track quantity, and ensure quantity is more than 0, or uncheck to allow sales without tracking, risky for dropshipping. For variants, edit each variant, confirm stock, 0 and tracking enabled. Set inventory managed by to your location or multiple locations if issues persist. Manual sync: in AutoDS, select the product, manually update sync inventory from supplier. Resync store, AutoDS, stores, renew token, resync store, wait 1 to 2 hours for full update. Clear cache and test, refresh Shopify storefront, incognito mode after changes.